Okay, so hey guys, so I'm so excited. My aunt got me a plush from lankybox. So let's just open it. Like the whole bag is pink, and I got Foxy. He's really cute. She's really cute, and she's really a cool. There's also this tag that says, "Hi, my name is Foxy. I'm so happy to meet you, and I hope we will become the best friends." Adam and Justin say thank you for all of your love and support. You are the best.
Ah,
Yes.
you gonna share to Dana?
No.
If Dana likes it.
So yeah, he's really cool.
Show it. Show the face. Go. Show
Here's
the
the face.
Ooh. And tell how big.
He is very big. He's big. He's bigger than my face.
Oh, okay. And tell your friend how much you bought.
It is very pricey. Yeah.
So your friend, when they bought, they'll know how much to pay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Bye.